Welcome from Maths and Science by IITian channel. This is the second video on geometry for Maths Olympiad and also IIT JEE examinations. IIT JEE examination and Maths Olympiad. In the previous lecture, we have seen or calculated the area of the semicircle above the extension portion of the square, and only one dimension is given from C to F, 10 units is given, and angle 30 degrees is given, angle CAD. And because CD is the extension of ED and ADEF is a square, it is taken that angle CDA as 90 degrees because it is an extension, and the connection between C and F distance is 10. This is what we have taken, and we have calculated the area of the semicircle CGD. Now, in this example, we are supposed to calculate the area of triangle ABC, where the angle ABC is 90 degrees. For example, if we draw a vertical from C to AF extension, this angle will also be 90, and let us say this point is H, then CH square plus AH square is equal to CA square. Whereas because this angle ABC is 90, CB square plus BA square is also 90. CAB square plus BA square is equal to CA square. That means from the above we can say that CB square plus BA square is equal to CA square. CA square is already calculated in the previous video. Please refer to that. This is as per Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. And again, as we have seen, when we draw a perpendicular CH, then CH square plus AH square is also CA square. CH square plus HA square is equal to CA square. This is another equation. This is also as per Pythagoras theorem only. That means there are number of possibilities where angle ABC can be perpendicular having the hypotenuse as CA, and the triangle can be ABC or AHC. The values of AH and CH are different than AB and BC. Hence, until and unless one side is known, you will not be able to find out the area of triangle ABC. That means there are many feasibilities for given CA, for CA given the values of CB and BA differ. That means there are many feasibilities for CA given, the values of CB and BA differ. The values of CB and BA differ. Like instead of H, you can say it is B dash. You can just see. We have been given only angle and we have been given a hypotenuse and we are not given any side. Hence, there are many possibilities for which we can't go for a unique solution. There is no unique solution. Why I have given this example? The reason being, even in the conditions of uncertainty in the examination, even though the data being given less, we have to ultimately prove, if data is insufficient means we have to prove it is an insufficient, or if the solutions are numerous means we have to prove the solutions are numerous. We can't expect in the examination a unique solution. All the values are given and you are asked to put them in an equation and solve it. We have to think. Thinking, imagination, assumption, these are the major things which drive a mathematical problem. A scientific approach. A scientific research-based mathematical approach is that assumptions, thinking, filling in the gaps, and if you are ultimately unable to fill in the gaps and you get many solutions, then you say that there is no unique solution available. Otherwise, you have to find the unique solution. For finding the unique solution also certain assumptions. Here whatever we assume, angle 90 is given, hypotenuse is given, other things are not given to us. Then in that case, the value of sides differ for the same angle of 90 degrees. That's what we have proved. And with this, I conclude this class, and best of luck to everybody. And some keen observer has a observation on this video, on the previous video, that data is missing. I am very much thankful to him or thankful to her for pointing out this. And data deliberately not given in full, so that it's not an examination of by hearting the formula and replacing the equation with values and finding the arithmetic solution. We are preparing for an examination where thoughtfulness is required, where assumptions are required, where to find accurately whether a unique solution is possible or not. With that intention, I have deliberately given this particular question, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Best of luck to everybody. I am from Maths and Science by IITian. My channel name is Maths and Science by IITian. And I have released more than 10 plus videos on algebra and number theory, and this is the second one on geometry. I will give in the description the playlist for all the videos, and the playlist is algebra by IITian. Second playlist is geometry by IITian. I hereby want to develop the concepts with examples. And in the next class, I will take up another challenging example either on algebra or geometry. And best of luck to everybody till the next lecture. Thank you.